Mic test.
Yo, mic test 1, 2, 3. Check, check. Straight from the streets of New York.
No, we should be okay. I heard some sort of feedback.
No sound.
It's good, it's good. They're saying it's good. See, we can hear from here.
See, glasses on and glasses off. Yeah, we're good. What's good?
Cue the background music.
Put the glasses on. It's gonna be a very serious live stream today. I'm undefeated still.
I'm also undefeated.
Yeah, you haven't taken a trade. So Harry hasn't taken a trade yet on WAYOND Live yet, on a WAYOND live stream. So the goal today, can they hear me?
Yeah. It sounds like it's clipping the mic though. Listen to it. It sounds like it's clipping. Yeah. You see?
Okay, hold on guys. We're fixing the audio, then we'll get this shit started. Make sure you hit the like button, give us a subscribe, and share this to your friends. Share this to your mother. Share this to your father.
Mother, bro, relax.
And get it hyped up. Signal time.
Today we're coaching Hunter how to become a profitable trader.
Yes. Like what Timmy and TJ are doing.
Yeah. So you want me to get an alien and then you can molest an alien?
I've never seen that.
You didn't see it?
No.
How passionate he is in doing it, bro. You have to see it. He got exposed.
Oh, TJ?
Yeah, you didn't see the video?
Yeah.
Everyone, you watched it?
I did.
I didn't watch it.
I mean, I watched like a little bit of it, but like
40 minutes.
Yeah, I don't have the attention span. But it's like pretty obvious. I mean, like it's a lot of industry nowadays.
Exactly.
Like especially this guy right here. Trading on paper, paid demo trading.
Exactly.
Huh?
Always.
All right. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Is the volume good? No?
Already you triggered some people. We need to address.
I think it's good.
It's good? It's lagging on my screen.
It's fine, I'll catch up. Let's go.
Okay.
Is the audio good? Did you hear it?
Yeah, check it, listen.
We need to address.
Oh, no, it's good.
Okay.
It's good?
If you trader, what you fucking YouTube? Yo, bitch, that's what I did yesterday, bro. That's what I did. So let's continue.
Okay. All right, guys, let me do my introduction, my NPC introduction. Welcome back to another weekly live stream here at WAYOND. It's trading day. We got Harry, we got myself. Harry's goal today is to take his very first trade on a WAYOND live stream. Right now, I think I'm 3 or 4-0. Haven't lost yet.
No, you're not. You're 2-0, bro.
3-0. Remember, I took 2 trades that session.
Yeah, and then what? The one before Daniel pressed. No, that doesn't count.
That does count.
It doesn't count.
No, he rushed it.
No, you.
Okay,
that was
2-0. Still undefeated. Whatever it is, we're both gonna give signals today.
If that counts, then I'm gonna take a 10-pip trade now, close it, and count as a win.
But thank you guys for watching today. Hopefully, we can give you some
insights.
Some siggies. But let's get it started. First, Harry will break down his bias for gold.
Look what you're starting, bro. It's all your fault.
And be sure to like the video and send it.
Not yet.
Send it to your mother.
Bro, should leave people as well. Put my screen. Let's go. So gold here. If we're having a look at gold, started from daily. We haven't moved much from London. You know, daily is still closing bullish. 4-hour ended up closing bearish here. Again, this is giving us a resistance now potentially to also continue down if we wanted to, but we've just been ranging since London here. So we have this fresh 4-hour support going nuts. 1-hour resistance right here. So we can look for price to potentially want to tap that if it wants to. Let's see what ends up happening. 30-minute time frame, roughly the same. 15-minute time frame, a little bit higher. So let's just. This is a previous 4-hour support I have here, this line. It's a previous, it also has now become a 4-hour resistance. So that was not there in London, but now it's there. So honestly, until we get above that, I'm still like, I want gold kind of to short gold here. I think we're just stuck in the range, and if we respect this 4-hour resistance, we can have some sells down. If not, and we start to break above, that's where the buys are gonna happen. I would have liked to buy up to that 4-hour resistance, but we can get what we call an FU candle, which is just like a straight candle towards the upside. I think gold analysis is pretty simple today. If we leave this range, you can see how we've liquidity grabbed twice here, boom, boom, showing us that a lot of buyers getting involved. So the time we do break this, we should actually get some sellers involved. If we are looking at US 30 here, same pre-session range we're having. We like pre-session range because they give us opportunity for breakouts. If we're checking daily time frame here, previous daily closing bullish. We're seeing 4-hour time frames closing bullish, not the strongest bullish candles, but nevertheless closing bullish. So if we do get a breakout above 4-hour resistance, we might get some heavy upside potentially. Now we do have a lot of mini resistances here. I feel like if we can just clear this 15-minute range, we'll be able to move towards the upside. We're just gonna keep an eye on this.
Close the door, please.
Let's have a look.
What are you guys doing?
Come or go?
Yeah, come or leave.
You want to close?
Yes, close.
Good, yeah.
Sorry, guys. We're in an office studio, so there are other people here. Okay, so for gold, your bias is mixed.
Yeah, mixed bias.
Okay, mixed bias.
And
Buy
then-
or sell today.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Maybe some breakouts. We're gonna see what we can do with that.
Yep.
And then, yeah, we can see if we can break maybe above this 4-hour here. We can get a bit of extension with the open. NASDAQ as well, pretty similar. We have above this 15 here, if you see, which is from this morning. Now we changed to a 4-hour time frame, a little bit choppy. But if we can get some volume with the open. The opens haven't been too much volume recently, so hopefully that does change and we can get some good volume. So that's really the analysis. If we're gonna break down today, we do have the opportunity, but I wanna see structure break below this 1 hour for that to happen. So let's see what happens and then we'll take it from there.
Cool.
See you.
Good stuff.
Mr. Hunter's plan.
All right, now it's time for my bias. Let me know when I'm on my screen. Okay, so I'll start off with gold like Harry did. So I'm here on the 1-minute time frame. I'm using volume. My volume profiles have previous day marked, and I have current developing session marked. We have a value area high right here, value area low, and of course our current developing point of control. And as Harry said, price is kind of ranging right now. If we do break any of these current value areas, there's potential chances for breakout. So if we break this value area low, I may wait for a retest of this value area low, short. If we break this value area high, I may wait for a retest, take a long. And price is looking bullish for gold right now because we did break out of this previous day volume. So we're well above the previous day value area high. And yeah, I still need to mark my weeklies here, but overall, we'll see what happens when gold breaks out of this range.
And we're both sending combines today?
We're both sending combines. I thought you were trading on your funded.
No, I'm gonna send a combine today.
And then Harry broke down his bias for NASDAQ and Dow, so I'll break down my ES bias.
Okay.
So here, yeah, we look bullish right now for ES, but a lot of chop in the market. Currently, we're trading right below value area high. There could be a chance that price breaks out of this. Usually what I notice with ES is when price consolidates below value area high, it usually has a nice pop out. So yeah, if we do break this, it could take a long, but I'm kind of keeping my eyes on gold today. Depending on if we go down here, I don't really want to take sells today on ES because we have all of these previous levels. We have previous week's value area low, we have previous day value area high, and previous day port in control. So if price does come down here, I would wait for price to come down to this current value area low. And if we do get a bit of support here, I would take a long. So for ES, I'm looking for longs today. If we come back and approach this value area low developing session, I'll look at my previous day value area high and previous week's value area low as a support zone. And I'll take a long probably to the developing point of control, which is this red line right here. So that's my bias for today. I'll be just looking at ES and gold.
Very good, very good. I'm very happy he set a plan like that. I think that's a good achievement to set a plan. Now
Thank you,
go.
coach. Thank you, coach.
Yes. Now his goal is to stick to his plan.
Yes.
So last time he closed that TP early. Now he's saying he wants to target his developing point of control.
I took my profits.
First trade. Second trade, we saw.
I booked 60% last time.
Booked nothing. We're not booking anything. We're closing. But
yeah, closing. Of course.
Targeting this red line, point of control developing. We will see if you actually close there.
Yep. In 5:30 we got NYSE, right?
Yeah, it's in about 15 minutes.
So we're gonna see lots of volume. Volume, Valentine.
Light.
Yeah.
This is so funny.
I gotta get my NASDAQ hat, right?
Yeah.
Hey, but shout out the Italians, man. Shout out the Italians. Shout out Tony Once. I'm sure he's in the chat, right? Tony Once.
Maybe he's here. I don't know.
Antonio.
He might be driving.
Antonio Bartolucci.
Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, while we wait here for NYSE Open, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. What's your guys' bias for today? Are you bullish on gold? Are you bearish on gold? For indices, are you bullish or bearish? What are y'all trading today? Take my glasses off.
They're not trading, bro. They're waiting for Siggy's, man. I mean,
The Siggy's? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yes.
took a gold short. From where? This is my group.
Copy trading every full margin. I do the same thing, brother. I peep Harry's London stream sometimes.
London been ranging, bro.
How's your London streams been?
Yeah, boring for the last week or so. Just we range in London. Look at Asian, right? So you get Asian full continuation. If you want to switch to my screen, I'll show you.
Yeah.
So this is daily open, 245, close above here, absolute volume, monster volume. Even if you're late, even this close above here gives continuation.
Yeah.
Then you come pre-session, you have some pullback, 6:45 a.m. Then you come to a London session and this is London, just sideways, you know? No continuation above the highs, no continuation through the lows. There's nothing really you can do. Then we range. Now we're basically where we were from London. So it's been a common trend, even yesterday. Look at London, this is London yesterday. This is London yesterday.
Yeah, just range.
Range. Tried to go some upside, faked a lot of people out. Dumps, range until later. Yeah. Then we get this change of structure here to continue up. But otherwise...
Don't want to surf when there's chop. When there's chop in the water.
Yeah. Or
Makes
sharks.
sense. Or sharks too. But there's no sharks today.
Look at this, sitting on cactus in London.
Sitting on
No,
cactus.
because this morning, I said we were playing GeoGuessr. You pulled up when we were playing
I did.
GeoGuessr.
I guessed Mongolian. I was
Oh,
right.
really? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
You want to know why? Because that one ice cream shop you showed?
Yeah, you
I
Googled
looked
it,
up
bro.
real quick.
You're cheating, bro.
Well, should we run around today?
Yeah, maybe we can run around
Okay,
today.
we can run around of geolocation today.
Yeah. So we were playing, and what's this? I forgot what. Oh yeah. Then I said, what's better, trading London or playing Geo? And then one of the guys in the group commented, London is like sitting on a cactus right now. What do you
Facts.
make that like?
Facts. All right. 91 people in the stream. Thanks for showing up. Hopefully we give you guys some signals in the next 15 minutes or so, depending on how
Bro,
it
screw
develops.
them. They don't deserve signals, bro.
I'm with the people right now. I don't live stream much, so like I'm excited to be with the chat,
people?
You know? You're like, fuck these guys.
You did not take a trade for 100 pip also? Don't know what that means.
Yeah, 100 pips. Bro, what's your thoughts on some of these volatile candles that happened this week? Like Trump news
Oh,
and
Trump,
stuff?
yeah. I mean, I actually,
Cooked.
I took a short on NASDAQ right after that Trump candle. That was
You
like,
made a good, I don't know if it was on your live stream, you made a short about it.
I think it was Instagram story.
Yeah, you should explain to them, like, because I'm sure there's going to be some more volatile candles with this war going on.
Yeah, so it's all situation dependent, but essentially in that news event, we had Trump saying that, hey, we're going to de-escalate. But in reality, a big part of this war is Israel as well, and they didn't mention anything. So you know, even though it's one person, doesn't necessarily mean that it's a full solution, right?
Yeah.
So that's what happened.
But you also explained too, like when there's such a big impulse, usually price tends to come back and fill it.
Yeah, so that happens depending on how the news is going to be digested, right? So it's a bit of a fundamental play, because if you get the news that comes out and you can see like this was overinflated news. I mean, a 4% candle on NASDAQ is massive.
It's crazy.
That's a 4% candle. So there has to be some sort of relief, if not from profit takers, but man, the amount of people that literally got, you know, liquidated is insane.
Yeah. If you weren't trading with the SL, blown account.
100%, bro. It's an insane amount of pips to go up.
But who's this retail trader? He says he's not gonna take my signals.
Oh man.
You better take my signal. I'm gonna get a W today.
Can Hunter go? You need a hat trick, bro. This is your hat trick. This is a
my hat
monumental. When I started streaming, I think we have to pull up my journal. We have to pull up my journal.
Pull it up if you can.
I think, yeah, we can
If you
pull up.
wanna not show the screen, just let all.
No, it's fine. We can, if we go here.
You know, I know what's on your history, you know.
No. Safe, man. Like.
Well, like in your own streams, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. This is my journal of trading. This was my record. Look at that. That's insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wins in a row when I first started streaming.
Damn.
So if you want to have that cape.
Okay.
But this was back when GJ was like amazing, bro. You have to understand. Like people were calling
like a majority of its bias.
all GJ, bro.
longs.
It was just breakout every day. Same. Look at the time. 10:15, 10:30, 12, 11, 10:15, 10 a.m., 10:15, 10 a.m., 10:55, 10:45. You know, all within 1 hour, everything is breaking out.
And it's good to have this data because you can see how
This was
how
in a
consistent
trending.
it was.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
timing, the session, the setup,
Yeah, and you
whether
can
you're
see.
taking a long or short.
Yeah, like now the trading conditions these days are a little bit more difficult, you know. If you look at how the trading results are, I mean, there's a lot of data here, but these days the trading results are more going to be like loss, win, 3 wins, then 1 loss, then 1 win, then 1 loss, then 2 wins, you know. So it's really about maximizing the wins right now. That's
Yeah.
key.
All right, we got 10 minutes until stock exchange open. Gold still playing around the point of control. And ES is still ranging inside the developing profile. But hopefully this can break down. I'd love to see a test of this value area low. If you see this test of the value area low, we have lots of confluence for support. So it'll be a nice play. That's my play for ES. Shit. Where the hell is my mouse at? I'm being retarded right now. Oh my god. Chat. Oh, there we go.
Harry, can you share with us a New York Journal? Yeah, I post them mostly in my Telegram and I post them in my free group. Harry is washed. Yeah,
Harry's not washed, man. Come
I'm
on.
not washed, man. London is washed. Yeah,
He's the
it's-
most real trader out here, man. I've interviewed thousands of traders. This guy documents and does everything live, so you can't really compete, and you got to give him his flowers.
Exactly. I mean, look, compared to when GJ was breaking out, when DAX was breaking out, in a breakout market, we're going to be able to perform, but that's not what trading's about. The difference is I'm here. How many streamers do you know are still not here after 1,000 streams?
One thing's Harry is clean, guys.
You know?
F1 for fun. What does that mean?
F1 for fun. He likes to get, I'm not going to go there, but
Harry, can you share this in the New York Trading Journal?
yeah, I mean, I get why people would say you get washed when you have such a heavy winning streak like that. But that's the internet, man. Like these
Yeah.
guys haven't gone through it themselves. They haven't traded Like, I'm probably the only London streamer out there who's traded through a pandemic, traded through two geopolitical wars.
Oh,
you know?
he's saying, I'm kidding.
Oh, man.
He's pushing your buttons.
No, it's good. But we need to speak with fact.
Yeah. But no, I know like life as a streamer, if you're in a down streak, people don't watch you. When you're in an up streak,
Yeah.
people love you.
It's like a football player. You only remembered for the last thing you do.
Yeah.
It's Alberto. I see. This guy, biggest pro.
I
Bro, I'm
see.
charging you double next month.
Where's Alberto? Where's Alberto from?
He lives in Texas.
Texas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
United States guy. I'm from California, Alberto.
No one cares, bro. He didn't ask you where you're from.
Yeah. I'm just trying to socialize with the chat.
You said there was California, that image in GeoGuessr today. This is not California, bro.
It's so true though. People that live in LA know what's up.
Yeah, obviously it's mostly that country there, but...
Harry, do you use 1 minute orb in NYSC? Yeah, he's the biggest orb trader.
No, I don't use it, but because it's late, it's late 15 minutes after the open. But after the open, we can look at the 15-minute candle range, but we want to be a bit more in depth with that.
So are your supporter resistance levels matching mine, like 45.38 and 45.82?
I mean, it's not going to be the same numbers because it's...
But relatively... Well, yeah, you're waiting for a break under this.
Yeah, look the same actually.
Get that clean.
I have the
range.
same resistance
Okay, nice.
and I have the same support, yeah. But I just had an extra level in the middle, which is actually your POC if you look at it.
Yeah, of course.
My 15, you see?
That's good.
It's the same level.
Yeah. It's very good.
We were talking about this yesterday actually, because we were looking at levels that line up with using different things, and that normally all comes together somehow.
That's important. It's important when multiple strategies come together.
Yeah. Which one is better, trailing SL or took partial at 80% to TP? Both is worse. I wouldn't trail the SL, I would only trail the SL as structure develops, so it's a developing thing. And I would never close at 80% to TP because, I mean, it's not terrible, but you're always closing at 0.8. I would just, if I expect more of a move, I will hold, you know?
You looking for a buy on gold, Harry?
Swin ho.
As Harry stated, I'll restate it for him. Like he has a mixed bias today, so he's looking for longs or shorts depending on which way the price breaks out of this range.
Yeah, so if we're gonna try long, we can try long to the 4-hour resistance, but we need, like, price is showing me rejection at the moment.
Yeah.
See, there's a bit of sellers coming. Look at the 5 minutes, how weak they're getting, how every time we try some upside, we get sold into. This 5-minute candle here tried some upside, it failed, you see?
Yeah.
We ended up coming down next candle.
And on gold too, I mean, sells are more ideal because if you do break below your
That's a massive range,
resistance, there's a massive clean range to the left.
Yep.
And you always want to trade with clean ranges.
Yes, sir.
And there's very little volume here too, which is nice. Very, very little volume.
Anyways, 3 minutes to the open. I have a bit of an open trade, which is going to be if we can close above this 5-minute resistance. So we might full send it here above this 5-minute resistance if we can close above in 2 minutes.
I'm gonna keep an eye out for ES. We are trading above this point of control now.
I'm gonna make a buy stop ready. What is this, YM? Let's see how big this stop loss is.
You trading mini?
No, full contracts, but
Okay, I'm trading full. I'm gonna keep trading full contracts for ES too.
2 contracts, that'll be like $500 risk, 600. So yeah, we should be able to go at least 3 contracts minimum.
How many points?
What, the stop loss?
Yeah,
Looking like for now about 60.
60 points.
60, 75 points. What? Oh, how's my connection offline and I can stream? They're nerfing me, bro.
UJ longs.
Okay, there we go.
All right. 2 minutes. Do we have music playing in the background?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Damn, bro. Should take a
Sell Rocket League.
Buy or sell at 6660.
No, then we'll lose. So we want to be above here. Let's see if we can get above here. This will be the plan here. Then we
I'm
look.
hungry. Any lobsters going today?
That's a good question. Then we look to fill this wick. So
$40 per lobster per pound.
I don't think this will close above, boys, in 45 seconds. But you know, I've seen crazier things.
All right, 1 minute. Is there any news today?
No.
No?
Oh, I have it here.
Amazing.
I have it here, anyways. No, clean.
Great. You have, I noticed I mark away like the yellow folders and stuff. Do you keep an eye out for
Sometimes
yellow
there's
folders?
speeches, you know. But you know, it's not a big deal. Oh, 13 seconds trying to get active. I don't think this is gonna close above, so I think I'm gonna delete my sell stop. Yeah. Oh, it kind of did, is it? No way.
Wow.
You see how that freaking trolled me? Last second. I don't know if that counts as above. I'm trying to look. I don't think that counts, but that was my trade. You see the idea? That's crazy. That was the idea if we could get that look. I don't know. We have a bit of a gap there.
Why don't you zoom in? You're like looking at the screen like this.
Because I can see, you know, like, look, that's at, man. I don't trust it.
You gotta get like the sniper scope.
Yeah. Oh, we should also play reaction test. Oh, that's what I'll do tomorrow on stream as well.
But we can do on stream now too.
Reaction test?
Yeah.
My reaction test is 140 milliseconds.
I'm sure mine's quick too.
Let's see, you have a mouse, so you can do a reaction test.
All right, ES is pushing above value area high right now. Current developing value area high. Let's see, there seems to be a bit of resistance up here, so we'll see if price pushes back down. Which could be a bias, but I'm sticking to my plan. I want to wait until we tap back into these value area lows and take a long today for ES. I'm not looking to take shorts.
Nasdaq didn't really move much in the open.
Yeah. Whose screen are you on?
Yours.
Mine? Okay.
Waiting for signal.
Hold on. All right, I'm selling off this
Are you
supply
actually?
zone. No.
What?
This fair value gap right here.
1 minute supply.
I'm taking a reverse.
Fair value gap, shut down the stream.
Hey, I changed the, because you can call your point of control this red line right here. You can call it point of control. You can call it fair value. So all you mofos thought I was trading freaking ICT, but I changed this to POC so people don't get triggered.
Yeah, better.
People of color.
I'm not gonna say that. US 30 flying. Alberto, I know you want to.
Bro, why do I have to be involved in this, bro? Why do I have to be involved?
Where's Daniel at? Where's this guy?
Sleeping, no? He's in
Bali.
Pakistan, no?
Daniel. Let's go to gold and see what gold's doing.
Let's check it.
You're watching? Oh, okay. Then you could be my signal for gold. I'll stay on ES. I'm curious to see what price does. If we can reject this. Let's see what price does. But if we continue to pull away, yeah, I don't think we're gonna drop back down. This could just be like a super bullish move. We continue to break out of this value area high and move further away from developing point of control. But I would like to see this. Let me paint a picture. Fuck. I always forget where the freaking buttons are.
Put a magnet emoji above the price.
Bro, I have like dementia right now. Sorry, guys. Oh, here we go. Okay, so here we go. We got a nice drop. So I want to see what price, hopefully price, this is area of resistance. Price trades from value area high back to value area low. We have these major confluences right here acting as support, and we can take a nice long to the point of control. That's what I want to see price do.
And what if it continues and breaks out the range?
If it continues and breaks out the range, I'll wait and see. This is a developing node, right? So if price comes back and retests this, I could think about taking using this developing node as an area of support and take longs. My bias is bullish for today, so let's see. We'll evaluate when price does that. Okay.
How did you turn off this?
I don't know, to be honest with you.
Right?
Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. You know, oh, that's what I gotta be careful of. I don't know why, but this disconnected. So sometimes I'll be trading gold and then I'm trading ES and I put like
No, it's always like that. It's always
five
like
mini
that.
contracts in.
It's always like that. If you change pair, this won't change. It's not connected.
Oh shit, okay. No, it usually is connected for me, which is a
Mine's
weird thing.
not connected. I think that's what this button is.
Yeah, I got cooked the other day from that. Susameter, critical levels. Joshua Woods, what's good, bro? I know that name now. Let me guess he's American. Let me guess, Joshua, you're American. And you live in the countryside. You own a gun, a firearm.
No, he doesn't.
Who's texting me? Okay. Yeah, Daniel's texting me.
Eden sugar.
Eden, where is Eden at?
Oh yeah, damn, bro.
So how's gold looking right now?
Gold, just ranging. I'm looking at US 30. I want to see what we do at the top of this range here. Are we going to reject it? Is that it? Is that the push we're going to get?
Yeah, I would like to see a quick move down. Get a nice impulse down. US 30 open trade valid?
We got no close above resistance.
So it's not valid.
No, we had 15 here at this previous resistance. We had 30-minute right at resistance here as well, you can see. So it's very tough. So if we did get that close above the resistance, it would have been valid, yes.
And I want to show something on my screen here. Right now, price is looking very bullish. Maybe a breakout here.
Now I'm even
That's-
looking breakout on
Yeah,
WAYOND.
like this value area high is now acting as an area support. So, and now we just finally broke out of this resistance right here. So maybe it's good to take a trade if we retest. But still, my original bias is to wait till we hit at least this value area low to take a long. But we'll see what price does. We're still just getting started.
I might take a buy if this closes above on US 30.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the first time this value area's high is acting actually as a support, so
You can show my screen.
it's very bullish.
So I'm looking here, we have this 5-minute candle closing here in 2 minutes. This previous 5-minute close above most recent support. We left this long wick here. If we can get the same time, we should get this 1-minute candle close bearish, and then maybe we can even get the next 1-minute candle closing, but it would be nice if we got both the 5 and the 1-minute candle closing up above together. If the 1-minute candle closes above just before the 5, I can still take it. It's just going to be slightly more aggressive, and I'll manage much more aggressive, but I'm actually looking at that for a continuation trade. Now, if the 5 doesn't close, then we probably go for a deeper retest, and we can check something after that. So we'll just have to wait and see. At the moment, it looks like it's trying for the deeper retest.
Yeah, value area high moved up. Moved the line. Yeah, we're getting a high volume node right here. being created. See, this would have been a clean trade.
Which? The early one?
Approach this, yeah. When you approach this previous day value area high, you have this good. This is a great area to take a trade from. Even if you just want to keep it tight, like 5 points. Super valid, super valid. But I would never. I don't like personally right now. I don't like trading value area low to value area high. I just like trading draw to draw. So value area low to point of control to value area high to point of control, vice versa. Keep it conservative.
How long you been trading this strategy?
Huh? You're putting me on the spot, huh?
Yeah,
24 hours.
No, actual.
3 weeks.
3 weeks? No, not 3 weeks. I've been trading this for like 3 months now.
Do you journal? Like just keep your trades so you can see how it's going?
I'm gonna be honest, I don't journal.
Yeah.
I don't journal.
Would be good to collect data. Data is going to be really important, you
I
know?
Usually I just, because I trade with prop firms a lot, so prop firms has like all the data and
Yeah,
stuff.
but
so,
that then when you blow the account, the data goes. So
yeah. I mean, like Lucid and TopStep, you keep all your, usually you keep all your like your combines and stuff.
Yeah.
Unless you erase the account. Okay. Check out gold.
ranging.
Still ranging, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I can, since it's ranging, it's a good time to trade. Take some fades off value area high and value area low.
Yeah, from bottom of range to top of range to bottom.
But I don't want to be that guy that takes it and
Breaks out.
breaks.
I hate
Trump
that, man.
candle.
Yeah, Trump candle. I hate that. That's why when I do it, I follow a bias. So if I'm more bullish on gold today, I wait for it to come bottom of range and I just stick with one, direction.
Yeah. But you would lean, I know it's mixed bias today, but would you lean more bearish, taking shorts today than taking longs?
Wow, it's a tough one, but right now, that 4-hour closing at previous 4-hour like this, how we have this 4-hour resistance at a previous 4-hour resistance. If you look at the big scheme of things, this could be a pullback for potential further downside.
Yeah.
So.
Wow, we're getting nice bullish structure right now.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at, YM.
On ES. On YN?
Yeah, YM.
YN?
YM. US 30.
Harry loves YNs. MGC. Yeah, I hate, and the other worst thing is like when you play conservative, you take a trade if it's in the range with volume, and then like, let's just say you target a value area high or value area low, and then you hit your TP, but then it just flies
Yeah.
for so many more points.
Well, that's why I never set a TP. I always just manually close.
The camera's off.
No, it was fixed now.
Oh, it's fixed. Someone is asking my name, Fadumo Alawuto Funmi. My name's Hunter.
Can you say his name again?
Fadumo Alawuto Funmi.
Can you guess the country?
Somewhere in Africa. Nigeria? Where are you from, Fadumo? Let me know. Everyone drop your exact address and zip code. in the
Yo,
chat.
why exact address and zip code?
Ohio, nice. So you like the Cavaliers. Cavs are looking pretty solid this year. China? Yeah, right. Joshua Woods is from China.
Yeah, he lives in China. He actually does.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I asked him like 2 years ago. He's been on my stream for like 2 years.
Yeah. Yo, Vortex, you know what was golden? Was the LeBron era with Kyrie. The Cavs and Golden State dynasty. Amazing.
Antarctica.
Antarctica. I've seen Marco. Antarctica. State of Yo, you're funny, Lemon. That's a good one.
Bro, there was some guy.
That'd be
There was
good.
some guy hard hating in my chat last time. You have to see this.
Oh, nice.
You have to see this hard hate.
ES, have a nice bearish trend down for now. I'll take a long. Get ready for hunter signals if we go down here. Oh,
Read this.
yo, that's wild. Harry's mom is
Yeah, and then
very sexy. Who would go out the way to create that?
and read this.
interviews with
Read
him?
this.
Can I get you? That's
and,
crazy.
And then read this.
I'm not
Can you
gonna say
believe
that.
it, bro? That's like
That's
next
sketchy.
level, bro. Right?
Okay, here we go. check out why, yeah.
I can see it, bro.
We're having a nice push down here, fellas.
Hopefully, this can lead a pullback for buys. The worst thing we can do right now is snap back into the range and start ranging.
Yeah.
We have to be careful about that. We don't want to snap back into the range and start ranging.
I would love to see this push down further. But we'll see if this POC, current developing POC, acts as a point of, not acts as a point of control, it's already acting as a point of control. It acts as a support. If we break through this, then we'll see what price does at value area low.
Weird seeing Harry do NY live. I do it a lot in the group, but yes, on YouTube. Is that a regular Pro or Pro Max?
Oh, wow, you got good eyes. It's iPhone 15 because of the space gray. It's Pro Max.
What do you mean iPhone 15?
It's iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I think.
but-
Oh, okay.
I have the same one.
I
Oh wait,
think,
this is my phone.
I think it's asking about my phone, maybe.
I was like analyzing your phone. I was like,
Yeah.
this is my phone. All right, be sure to drop a like in the chat. Signals are going out soon.
No, like on the stream, not in the chat.
Like on the
On the
on the stream. Share this link on your social medias.
Send it to your mom.
Send it to your mom. Go, go, go.
So how much do you need to pass this account? So today we can only send it to like 5. We can
well-
get you $1,000 from passing if we send it hard today.
Yeah, we can shoot for 1,500 today.
Yeah.
Because I'm up 500 right now.
But markets look a bit rangy, not gonna lie, man.
I need to know what. I forget the amount of points
For ES,
one ES contract is.
I don't trade ES.
Yes. How many?
Let's see. Gold is coming mid-range. We don't like being in mid-range. Mid-range is the worst place to trade because you don't know it's gonna pick direction in mid-range. YM as well is staying here mid-range, so we
10
need
points is
it.
500. Okay. Yeah, I'm down to risk. Okay, we're pushing down. I really need to use the restroom, but I'll hold it. Nice push down. Exactly what I want price to do. Because as I mentioned earlier,
You can switch to my screen.
7, Mr. William.
Mr. Wayon, what is your P&L this week? I'm up $500 this week.
I might short if we get below here, huh? I might short if we get below here.
Yeah, it's smart.
Because
Like
we have this 5-minute breakup structure now.
Yeah.
This 5-minute open make big top wick, no bottom wick.
Yeah.
If we can get a 1-minute closing below here, we should resolve this and we can get a bit of downside just to play the range. It's a scalp, you know?
Yeah, no, I think you have, I mean, like, based on my screen right here, if
Yeah.
you really, really wanted to, price rejected off this, barely broke this, one sec. Price barely broke this area of resistance right here and it pushed back down. So I have no reason why it would push down to value area low. But we'll see what it does at point of control. But yeah, based on this,
You can switch to my screen. We
Yeah.
might get a close below.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, we didn't close below here, as you can see. That is sketchy. 5 minute has broke the low, but we didn't close below. So I can
Love
base
this impulse down, man.
Yeah, I can base this trade on a 5 minute, but the stop loss is too big and we're mid-range. Mid-range always risky. So I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute to close here in about 42 seconds. If we can close below in 42 seconds, I might send it. Depends on how deep it closes. If it closes too deep, I'm just gonna leave mid-range. Mid-range is very tricky. We wanna be very aggressive.
46,780. Oh no, you're trading YM.
Yeah.
Just impulse full margin.
So
Watch the
let's see.
4 hour, Harry, someone said.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Let's see if we ran current candle top stop loss, how that would look. I'm interested. 65 for 38, 65 down here. Yeah, maybe current candle stop loss.
Points. 20 points.
Or this can now just give us the buys back up later.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to have a. Okay, boys. Signal time. Signal time.
We're gonna send it.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna take a buy right now.
Let's see.
Take a buy right now.
Let-
Ooh. What? What is this on, bro?
6 EM. What is
Oh,
6 EM?
Euro. What the? This always does this shit, bro.
Bro,
Oh my
quickly. Change it from here. Change it from here.
Oh shit. Yes.
All right, he's in.
All right.
How much is one? Okay, yeah, okay.
I'll go 1,000 for 1,000.
That's fair. 1 to 1. At least it was not on something like gold right now.
And what I want to do, because what I would want to do is move my stop loss to break even when we hit this point of control.
That's good.
Yeah.
So my question to you, why you pick this stop loss here? I think is a little bit of an interesting stop loss. You know, it seemed like you just dragged it down a bit, you know?
Yeah, I dragged it down below this previous week value area low.
But why with like so much gap and...
Well, because I'm trading with impulse trend down. Since I'm not waiting for confirmation of like price with like a bullish engulfing and stuff, I want to have a little bit of space. Because sometimes you never know, like price can come down here and just start shooting up.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to be a little bit wider and see how price develops here. But I'm completely wrong if price just blows past this.
I mean, the 1 minute has just dumped straight red candles. So at some point it should give you relief
Yeah, and we'll see what price does
at the support, yeah.
here. And if I really want to, I can put it under here and risk 12, but I'll keep it right here. Just keep it clean at 1,000. Like if I would have waited till price hit previous day value area high, then I would have placed my SL under here. But since we impulsed in, I'm just gonna risk 1,000 and be happy with it. It's 20 points. Let me use the restroom while we wait for this trade to play out.
All right. I will comment on his trade.
You better not do anything.
No, I
You
won't.
better not do anything.
You're already in.
Oh, I almost took my lap to the bathroom. You guys don't want to hear me pee.
Will this double audio now?
That's fine.
All right, so let's see if he cooks himself here. The one thing I don't like is if I'm looking at this chart. Let's have a look here. We go on 5 minute. This 5 minute time frame has around a couple of seconds, 50 seconds before it closes. I like his BE point. It makes sense. His BE point is good. He had a BE point there. If we break this 1 minute structure to the upside, this will be very, very good. And this would be where I'm interested actually to take the same thing, but I'd be looking, I don't trade ES, but if I was trading ES, that would be the type of buy I take, right? So I would wait for this. I'll wait for it to go down, liquidity grab, and then I would look for a long position once we break the 1 minute structure, and I would keep my stop loss below whatever it made, you know? That's what I would have done. Bro, what type of piss was that, man? There's no chance you pissed in that time. There's no chance.
No comment.
There's no chance. He went, washed his face, came back. I gave them my analysis of what I would wait for.
What would you wait for?
So you see how now that 1 minute structure is formed right where we're at?
Yeah.
So I would look for a 1 minute close above that structure there. So basically where your entry is, if I can get a 1 minute candle closing above there, I would run that, then I'll put my stop loss below that structure.
I didn't wash my hands, jeez. Trust me, I do that.
He didn't, I can see guys, he's lying.
Phil.
No. Dirty man here. I don't know where his hands have been, you know?
Bro scalped this P. Let's up here. I can target value area high, but we'll take 1-to-ones because you can't go wrong with 1-to-ones.
I always like to see what happens at the level, you know, when I target a level.
Yeah. Yeah, usually I like to wait till it hits a level. Like if I want to play completely safe, I'd want to have a order at the level. But because there was early rejection right here, yeah, and we're on the stream, I'll take a trade at this touch of this value area low and have a wider stop loss. Why I don't open a position before candle confirmation? Because I don't always need to trade with confirmations. With volume, my confirmations are my levels. And if it breaks past that, then I'm completely wrong in my bias. And usually when you trade confirmations, it does have an effect on your risk to reward ratio. So the market doesn't deserve you any, to be honest,
But let's say in this, right?
the market doesn't deserve to give you any fucking confirmations, in my opinion. But depends on your strategy. If you need confirmation, depending on.
But
who
like
you are,
right
yeah.
here, you said it affects your risk to reward, but that's a pretty big stop loss.
Yeah, of course. Like ideally, I wanted to wait for a tap of this previous day value area, but I tapped it right here. Since we entered off the value area low, I have a wider stop loss because I look at this as invalidation of the trade.
Yeah. So I might take the same long as you on YM here, but I'm waiting for the 5 minute to close bullish plus a 1 minute change of structure. So you see how we're rejecting off this 1 minute. It's the same as how it looks for you on ES, but I'm looking for 1 minute change of structure, and then I'm going to take the same long as you. So we're going to be on the same side.
How's gold looking?
Ranging still. I might also be able to take a short
Yeah.
if we break out of this range. So we see how the 15-minute close is. Very important 15-minute close, because we'll see if it's going to be a breakout candle or it closes back in the range. Close it back in the range, we're gonna need more confirmation. Breakout candle, it's gonna give us some opportunities. So it has closed above. See how that looks. Maybe I try something aggressive here. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna try something aggressive here.
Previous day value area high tapped.
All right,
Pushing down.
there we go. So
I'm
gonna
get
move
stomped
stop
out.
loss to break even. All right,
I'm edging.
I made 1% just there. So I closed out my trade 1%. That's my trade for the day. And there's your dub on the stream.
It's nice. It's clean.
Little
It's clean.
scalp.
It's clean.
There we go. As you can see, pretty much sniped the exit there. I was looking for that impulse once we break out the range. If we wanted to drive, we should have had more pressure. So give that a shot.
Yeah. I'm in a much longer trade than you. That was actually the quickest trade I've ever seen you take.
That's how I trade in NYSE.
Wow.
Like I have these quick scalps, you know, get in out, make
Yeah.
1%,
That was
call it.
like under 30 seconds.
Yeah, it's sick. Because I'm trading like the impulse here. So I'm
How
looking.
many points was that? How many points was that trade?
That was 42 points.
Oh,
Yeah. And I had an aggressive stop loss here for around 48. So just under 1-to-1. But I saw something I didn't like, so I wanted to close.
let's see if we can engulf. This 1 minute can engulf. the
Let's
pretty
make
side.
some drama here. Let's make some drama.
Edging.
Are you ready for some drama?
Yeah.
So we have Hunter here. Wait, people. So
Put my glasses on.
Hunter is in $400 drawdown right now. How do you feel?
I'm trusting in the bias.
But he's 2 wins last stream. He won 2 last stream.
And look, we almost edged this SL.
I know.
Edged this
I took a trade. We're up 500 on that trade, and Hunter is now seeing if his level of support can hold.
Yeah.
The drawdown is getting smaller, man. He's keeping disciplined. He's following his plan. For all the guys who signal bot copied his trade, we made them money. So even if it loses, they can't complain. So let's go,
And
Hunter.
my bias though is if
No
it
one cares,
breaks-
no one cares.
Okay. Fine. Here we go, guys. Have a nice push up.
Oh, I forgot to tag you too late.
What? Come on.
How am I supposed to re-record?
Oh, you can do. You know what you could do?
What?
You can. I'll show you when you get there. No. Wait till it uploads to the story. Then you could do at. Even though it won't show my name.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right. Nice.
This is good for you. This is good.
Yeah. It's good for the stream. This is a reality. Sometimes you go straight into drawdown.
Bro, I've
take
taken
trades.
plenty of a loss. Even if it loses, man, I'm happy you followed your plan.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like, that's the best you could have done. Yeah, it sucks, but to be honest, you know, this is
even a piece of me, you know, like even a piece of me when it's edging this, right? Oh, I should move it under this previous day POC as like an extra level of.
I think now that we've reacted off the previous week value area high, it's a good sign.
Value
you know?
area low.
Oh yeah, low.
This
Sorry.
is, this means that, yeah, price is
Yeah,
very
low,
undervalued here. So almost perfectly hit. And previous week, point of control is way up here. So maybe this could be the sweep to a fucking huge push-up.
As I said, once we break this 1 minute resistance, man, it's clean sailing. Trust.
Should I trail for the stream?
You mean your
Because
stop
I
loss?
only have one contract.
You want
I
to?
have one
Oh, you mean
contract.
add another contract?
No, I'm saying like just if it keeps on pushing up, just trail behind every.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's see what happens, man. You know, I like once we break this 1 minute structure. In my opinion, it's looking very good for me. So we'll see. You don't have candle. What time they close the candles?
No.
Right click. Settings. No, not on long position. This is long position settings. Chart settings. Countdown bar close. Right, yeah, where your mouse? Yeah. Cool. So yeah, we can see 13 seconds.
Nice.
Yeah,
I've been
13
waiting for
seconds.
this
Yeah.
feature actually.
So 13 seconds, we get a close above that one structure, it should be good. Right now, it's using this area as a liquidity zone for seller absorption. I mean, buyer absorption. And this is, sorry, but this is my line here. So I have this line, which is the previous range we marked. This is what we're using at the moment. So a little level of resistance, you know?
Yeah, value area I changed. Pushing back down. There's so many lines, one of them is going to be hit. Lines where, bruh? I'm using these lines, the area of support.
You can switch to my screen just a little while we wait for Hunter's trade to cook. I'll just explain something. Is it changed?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. So we can see that we took this little scalp impulse classic for it to snap back in the range. Why? I teach these guys, you guys know this, guys, from the no 5-minute structure, right? So it's risky. That's why we want to scalp. We rely 1 minute, just take a quick scalp, get something out of it, call it that. Now, the important part is now that we are created this 5-minute, if we start to breach below this low, there'll be more sells that come through here. This big clean candle here on the 5. If we respect this low now, we break that 1 minute structure, which is the same as Hunter's trade, which is where my second resistance is. That's where we're more likely to get the buys. So if we do start to break this, we could see an expansion up. Would be nice to have with the 5-minute close. Even better if this 5-minute can close bearish, next one close above. You guys know what I'm talking about. That would be nice and it would support your trade. So honestly, you know, we really want to see this level be held for you. If it starts to leave this level and this low breaks, it's going to be sketchy. But
that's why I'm wrong.
Pretty much where you're wrong. So it just needs to fight a little bit there. So I would like to, you know, be devil's advocate here and say this is one of the reasons why I also like I get it, you can get tighter entries without confirmation, but this is the side of confirmation I do like. Because yes, you can balance and say, hey, by confirmation you're late. Correct, you are late with confirmation and you can miss the move with confirmation, but there are times where so I feel over a long period of time and based on my experience of trading for 6 years, I feel that the results level themselves out. Not one is better than the other. You will find that it helps here, but you lose here. Whereas not waiting for confirmation helps here, but you also lose here. So it's really even. It's just what makes more sense in your head, you know?
Thanks, coach.
Coach. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna help Hunter and I'm gonna go to the toilet. We call this toilet volume on stream. Okay. For some reason, when I go to the toilet, something happens. So.
Oh man, I'm edging back to SL.
So let's see. Hopefully it reverses.
How many contracts this is? Don't take your lav.
Oh yes. No, they can hear it.
Yeah, be careful.
They can get extra service if they want.
All you hear is. But TRE project, trading with one ES contract. That's it. So risking 1,000 to make 1,000. But thank you guys for tuning in this stream today. We're still going. We're still live, especially being in this trade. Be sure to give it a like and thumbs up. Yeah. You can hear toilet volume. Hurts their ears. Yeah. We like drawdown, don't we? Yeah. Have you guys taken any trades yet? Did you take a signal from Harry's trade? I feel like his trade is pretty quick, so like since live is delayed, you can't really copy that. Yeah, I feel like if we break this low right here, I'm cooked. But now we're getting some bullish market structure. Higher low, hopefully we can have another bullish engulfing. and get back into profit.
Open for them.
Okay. He doesn't have the magic passcode. Brother, it's one contract, one ES contract. You can read it on the screen. You see? It shows a 1 right here. Right there, right there, right there.
Man, this 1 minute level of liquidity, bro.
I know, I'm in a little bit of a range.
Can we get the breakout?
Yep, I agree, bro. I agree. I agree. Should I add one more contract in? But I
If you
think
do
that
it,
would,
you have to do it when it comes back to like previous week very area low.
yeah.
You know what I mean? So you can get like a better average buy-in.
Nah, but we're so close. Like,
Yeah, but that's so it wouldn't matter. You know, you'd lose so
Yeah.
much little. Like it would be worth it if it plays out.
oh, I see what you mean.
You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
Yeah, I see.
And it will drag your entry a lot lower if you enter that much lower.
Yeah.
It will drag your entry probably to just above previous day value area high.
We'll stick 1,000. 1,000 is good.
Yeah, it's decent risk for a combine. You know, it's not.
Yeah.
It's a good risk.
Yeah. I made $500 this week on it, so
You'll be down 1%. It's okay. It's part of the game.
yeah. Yeah, I'm really only losing $500 on this. If it hits a $1,000 stop loss.
I don't know how much I'm on this account.
Someone asked Signal, I sent him stream link. Yeah, send it. Honestly, actually, no, I'm not gonna say that, but you see where my entry is. Right now it's in drawdown, so if price does pull back to the entry, maybe you can take an order. You can have an order limit. Maybe. Just maybe.
Full blasting AC, yeah?
Is it? Oh, I thought they could hear it. We gotta turn up the music. Get some house music going.
Take it right now.
But it's copy. It's
Guys,
like
how loud is the music volume okay,
no
guys?
need to put it. No need to put it loud.
Don't put it loud, but I'm asking chat. Guys, is the volume okay?
Trade testing pain. It'll work out from my perspective. Yeah, this happens sometimes with volume trading with me. Like if I take a entry against a strong trend when there's a straight impulse down with no green candle confirmation, then yeah, of course, sometimes it could be painful to wait in this area, trading against a trend. But now we're back into
The green.
green.
Will we get this 1 minute
I'm gonna
closing
close right
above?
now, $25. But
Let's see. This all depends in 8 seconds. If
I
this
would
1
love-
minute wicks down again, you're gonna be cooked. But
I would love,
looking good.
yeah. There we
Nice, nice. That's the volume we want to see.
go. Sirski.
So
But
normally,
I should move it. Oops.
this is where the 1 minute I would expect to sometimes make a retest here.
Yeah. So once we get to this POC, I kind of want to hold this. I mean, ideally, I should target this.
What I would do
Going
is
above.
just put the TP somewhere, and once it gets there, see the reaction. That's something that I always do, and something you'll need to learn is sitting here watching the chart and seeing how it reacts is really important. This is why I only used to train on stuff that has tick data, right? Because you need to train how it reacts at levels. And then you will know, like, did you see how I was able on my short to be able to say I want to get out at that point? Because it's something you see, and it's from how price is now not continuing with volume. So
Hunter's entry becomes his TP.
what do you have any outlook about gold? So gold is ranging at the moment. We're at the bottom of the range at the moment on
Yeah,
gold.
Let me show you. Oh yeah, here you can show your screen.
Yeah, I can share for a little bit.
Yeah.
So we can see we're at the bottom of the range. Yes, we can actually trade from the bottom of the range back to the top. The only thing I don't like is they have all this obstruction here. I'm more wanting to stay out of gold with the current way it's moving. It's a little bit messy like this. I mean, you could try to bounce through the range and see if volume can push through, but if it struggles here, then you want to get out. I
Yeah.
don't think it's the nicest thing here.
And show my screen, Ollie. Yeah, even here too, it's still inside the range of this volume. Value area levels have changed. Yeah, just range. It'd be good to take fades off gold, but as I said, the bias I mentioned earlier in the stream was bullish, full bullish bias, because this gold I would say is mixed bias right now. We have this clean range here if we want to take shorts, and of course we break above this value area high. If we get a retest, we could take longs, so it's mixed. But ES for me was only longs today, and I said I wanted to, when price was over here, I want price to trail back down to this value area low, and we take an entry to the point of control, but we're targeting value area high. But I'll move my stops. I don't know if I want to move it to break even after point of control. I kind of want to move it just.
So the best thing to do is maybe by the time you reach the point of control.
Don't touch, because it's touchscreen.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So by the time you reach point of control, it would might have made 1 minute structure, and then you can move it up below that.
Yeah, I agree.
If there's no 1 minute structure, then you maybe should wait for it. Harry, have you taken anything? Yeah, I took a scalp, like he wrote in chat. He's correct. Harry, when you're in ORB concept, which 15 minute to consider, 9:30 or 9:45? Traditionally, it would be the 9:45 candle.
And Lemon, yes, Harry has taken something. Guy has already said it. All right.
So now you can't tell me I haven't taken a trade on stream. Took a dub. We're starting the win streak on the WAYOND stream.
I'm not gonna say anything yet.
But hopefully we can continue 100% win rate on WAYOND stream.
All right. I would love though to if this can push up and just continue to just impulse green past this value area high, trail that. Like the move would be for it. Yeah. Actually, but there's no need for me because I'm gonna ruin my consistency if I make.
Not the consider. Look, the way I would do it, man. You've sat in drawdown for a long amount of time. The worst thing today is not to be paid when you have the chance to be paid, because you know you've been sitting waiting. If it's a big impulse trade that you got there low and it starts pushing, now you're like, okay, so much volume in the market right now.
Yeah.
You know, then you can try to just trail it, see if it gives you more.
Yeah, and the worst feeling is like seeing you're up $900 and then it going all the way back down to your SL.
Yeah, or to entry.
It's like double.
You know, because $900 is basically what you risked. It's 1-to-1. It's not a bad habit to close there. You've done your job for the day.
This is a large.
Yeah, it's a pretty bigger trade. So
it's a bigger trade. But we have clean range to the left.
I'd say you can move your stop loss below value area low for sure. At least save on that much. I mean, there's no chance it should break that, right?
We'll go here.
You think, yeah?
But it should be a pretty clean move up, in my opinion.
Can I see 5 minute?
5 minutes.
Oh, yeah, see, there's a good stop loss on 5 minute.
Yeah.
I would worry about that zone there, basically below your point of control. No, below the, this.
I wanted to take.
Not there, but.
Yeah, just control it with this. Control it with this.
I don't like this.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of chop right here.
So maybe just keep that line on, just so we can blend a bit of strategies. Why not? And just see how it reacts there, in case it does.
Yeah. Pull this. So this is
Harry's line.
That's exactly. Harry Sharp line.
Harry's sharp or Harry Sharp line?
Harry Sharp line. It's a sharp line.
This 5 minute close is nice for YM, so it should help your trade actually.
Yeah. Oh, POC moved down to here. Yeah, POC moved. That means value area moved here.
So this is the one thing about volume profile trading is your zones move while in it, right? So you kind of want impulsive trades so that it doesn't move. Bro, he's back.
Ah, Eden. That's good, brother. Welcome. You missed my whole drawdown trade.
Yeah, now he's in profits. Hi, what's up with US 30 nowadays? It's slower in NYSE too, no setups coming. Yeah, you have to be quick scalps like what I just did. I saw that yesterday as well. So US 30, you have to be quick scalp. The whole market right now is a bit slower because of what happened with basically Trump, man.
When will Daniel come? Daniel's in Bali right now, but he'll come back in May. He's coming to Dubai back in May. So, yeah, we're actually we're gonna be hosting an April Fool's live stream.
Are we?
On next Wednesday.
April 1st.
Yeah, April 1st. Well, if they're in like US, it's like we're 12 hours ahead. So, yeah.
What's this, bro? What's going on?
No, that was weird as hell.
I saw
Jesus.
single girls 3 kilometers away from me.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, so I saw that's the ad
Yeah.
that came up, man.
With Daniel, yeah, but we're gonna be doing a stream from a remote stream. So he's gonna be in Bali. We're gonna have a call on Zoom or whatever we decide to set up, and then I'll be here in the office. You're more than welcome to join if you want to do us two with Daniel on the Zoom.
No, I can't be with Daniel. It becomes too gay.
He's remote though, like COVID. You're like
Maybe I have to be remote to make sure.
500 kilometers.
No, more, bro. A lot more, bro. 500 kilometers is to deep in Abu Dhabi and back.
Yeah. 50,000.
Bro,
that too
no,
long?
not 50,000. Maybe about like, about 4,000.
All right, we're pushing up to Harry Sharp's line. And then we're pushing up to TP.
7.5,000.
I lost where my point of control was because it was up here. But actually, the point of control was at this line.
No, it was slightly higher than the line.
Yeah.
This is nice 1 minute structure above your entry.
Yeah.
It's good to see that.
So if you guys still want to place a buy trade, you know what to do.
No, now they're
Still have
late.
some room.
No, now they're late. Now they're late.
Who's the guy saying, you're not going to take my signal? I mean, let me scroll back up on this chat.
It was. Let me try to remember.
Was it Joshua Woods?
No, it wasn't Joshua.
Was it Woods? Yeah, maybe.
No, it wasn't Vortex.
Let's see. Oh no, it's over here. Which... Man, I can't find it. Got lost in the sauce. Okay, we're
Harry's
at Harry's
line.
line. And we're gonna break past it. Break past it, come on.
Nervous at my line. Look at my line.
Harry did some like witchcraft.
Bro,
on
I
that,
promise. It's just how I Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, reaction doesn't mean rejection, huh?
No. Let me see, where was this Fabio Valentini light?
What's this cap? WAYOND cap, yeah. Gotta represent. Dry tech, huh? Whoa.
Yeah, it's Nike.
This dry tech?
Nike. Yeah, Nike. It's real deal merch.
This is actually a Nike?
Yeah. It's
No.
nice, right?
Spiky this or Nike?
I work out in this. It's nice.
That's
It's
good,
It's good texture.
It's ribbed?
It's fuck, I'm drawing a blank on it. Alcantaran.
Yeah.
Trying to find this comment. Mr. Wayon, what you? I feel like it was earlier. Did it? Can you delete comments from here? Can you
It
delete?
was retail trader for sure.
Oh yeah, retail trader.
Yeah.
Where you at, retail trader? Show yourself.
Bro, Harry's line, bro. You should have deleted my line.
God damn it, Harry.
He's gonna blame me for this chat. Chat, he's gonna blame me now.
It's okay.
Anyone wants to react?
Wow.
I told you, Harry's line, bro. At least I told you that was a threat there.
So, but this was around point of control, which I would have moved.
No, point of
To
control
break
is
even.
higher. Line is full active.
That is a bearish looking candle, bro. But it's okay. We still follow our plan. Oh,
Nice, nice. That's exactly what you want to see. That's sick. Nice.
It's coming back now.
This is sick. What? This is
Come on.
some news. You might want to remove TP, huh? You could get a bit of a pop here.
should I fucking close it?
No,
You're
remove.
sussing me out.
No, I'm saying you might want to remove TP because it might just fly now. Looks like some volume coming in, bro.
No, we're sticking with.
Send it. Close manually. If it hesitates at your TP, close manually. If not, drag your
We're
TP
pushing
higher.
back down. This is
Oh, so close, man. You're getting teased, bro.
getting edged. Edged both ways. I got edged earlier.
Edging
Edged over.
session.
Yeah.
What's the title of this live stream? Edging with Hunter.
I'm an edgy guy, man. Edgy guy. Oh my God.
This is an interesting.
Took it
trade,
longer
man.
and longer than expected.
Yeah, bro. This is an interesting trade.
Harry's line, bro.
Bro, I think you need to remove my line.
Harry's line works.
Show me your underwear color.
Hey,
Bro, I'm deleting that, right?
my
It's funny as fuck, man. Show me your underwear color. I know the underwear color of your girlfriend, but I don't know mine. I forgot what I'm wearing today, but we know.
it's hot seat for Hunter. It is a hot seat.
He meant hot sit, you know? It's a sus one.
Huh?
Check the developing volume.
Oh yeah. Gotta move this.
Yeah, if I
Yeah?
Why?
They
got a
moved.
range there now.
That's good. Just need a little push up.
Bro, I want dinner, chat. Chat, I want dinner.
Yeah, I know.
Hunter's delaying me. We're gonna eat chicken or rice on the stream, should we?
Let's
do
go.
it?
Yeah.
I have it.
ASMR. While we
They've
wait.
seen me do it many times.
Hunter, can I join WAYOND? Where are you from, Eden?
No,
you
don't
from,
let him
brother?
join WAYOND.
You just want to join WAYOND so you can meet Daniel face to face, huh?
First ever live streamer on some fancy studio to eat chicken and rice. This is.
Oh yeah. By the way, guys,
Excuse me,
let me know.
don't touch my chicken and rice. No, you
because
know
they can't see.
They know.
Hold on,
They
hold on.
know.
Can I show?
They've
Can I
seen
show?
it.
This is Harry's chicken and rice. I
And
want
it's
to let you
good.
guys know, Harry is so American Psycho like Patrick Bateman. He weighs every single piece of chicken here and every single grain of rice
Every grain.
on a
bro.
scale. Every grain.
I
He
count
pinches-
every
He
grain.
pinches every grain. Oh, here we go.
It's gonna take you to TP, bro. Don't worry.
Harry's line.
Harry's
Check it again.
Bro, my line. I'm telling you.
Just push your TP to the
Back in the day when we used to trade GJ, we used to have something called rice because
Nice discipline, Harry.
halfway to in stream I used to go put my rice on. So we used to call it rice.
Oh, rice streams.
Yeah, rice streams.
Rice streams.
Now
You should trade rice, like whole grain rice, while you're eating rice.
now we upgraded to lobster.
It's a big upgrade. You should eat lobster with your rice.
I should, but we don't get fresh lobster here, bro. You know, we get something called sigali.
What's sigali?
It's like an Omani lobster.
What does Omani lobsters look like?
It's called sigali, type sigali lobster. The tails taste very similar, man.
Sigali. Like a cigar. Sigali.
No, with the S.
Oh, sigali.
SEGA.
Like that.
Just call them slipper lobsters.
Cigar
You look
L-I.
crazy. Hunter, shave your beard. Your looks Mexican. What? Nah, brother. Keep my beard.
Sigali.
I'm getting a haircut today.
Sigali L-I.
Li.
Lobster.
Lobster. So it is a lobster. Oh, it's like this. It's like this one.
It's kind of like that. They look disgusting, but they taste just as good. Fresh? They're not bad. Yeah, that's how it looks, this one.
You look so crazy, but I like you. What does that mean, bro? What does that mean?
Bro, you have. I don't know why WAYOND chat is a bit sus these days, bro.
Yeah.
Bit sus.
You're so crazy. Thanks, man. Thanks, Abdul. I appreciate you. I just don't appreciate this trade. I like being in and out.
Harry's line.
Where am I from, bro? I'm from Dubai, Habibi. But originally from California. The west side.
Harry's line.
Oh my God. This,
So perfect to react to the food.
yeah, no. This one's working out in your favor, huh?
Market maker here, bro. ICT my ass.
Yeah.
You know, you should clip the streams, make shorts out of it. It's good.
Yeah, we can. We're going to.
Like, you can get so many funny shorts,
Where are you from?
especially as a
Abdul?
duo.
Yeah, I know, it'd be good. You know, we're gonna get like a full studio here.
Yeah?
Streaming studio. Yeah. So it can fit up to 4 people inside. 4 men. You, me, Daniel, and Eden. Come out, Eden.
Eden, I put a travel ban. He's not allowed in the country.
I agree for that. So out of everybody in this chat, Harry, who's the best trader that you know here?
The best trader?
Yeah. In the chat.
Probably F1, man.
F1. Really? Alberto.
He's run like a top step up to like 20K plus.
Wow. Amazing. Is he getting Alberto, are you getting consistent payouts?
On and off.
Harry said you're a tourist. Man, where are you from, Gab?
It's gonna react to the line again.
Fadumo said,
It's
I
coming
want
to
eat
my
it.
line now. Be ready, Hunter. Be ready.
Just gonna shut off the laptop. Just kidding. Not even watch.
Oh, nice.
Wait.
It's good.
Wait. Let me do this.
The
She's cool.
Harry's line. Look, that. Reject.
It's a new orb strategy. All right, come on, push up. Stop edging me.
Harry's line, man.
On and off. That's good, Alberto. How long you been trading for, bro? 20K payout's a serious accomplishment, though. Serious accomplishment. I am from Pakistan. What is your name? He's Harry. I'm Hunter. Double H.
You know how they have Dumb and Dumber? This is H and H.
Who's dumb and who's dumber? You're dumb. I'll be dumber.
All right, yeah.
Harry's line. But if we break past Harry's line, oh, here we go.
Yes, you finally
we
broke
go.
my line.
You're like, oh.
It might not close above my line though. Then you're gonna be really sad if it doesn't. Oh, it did. You're good. Just need to break the high now.
Yeah. Imagine we waited this whole stream just for it to go back to SL.
So after this, you'd still keep SL there?
Yeah, I want to do it for the stream. I just want to hit that. I want to hit that. Value area high. I don't want to be a wuss and close out the trade early. Although, if this wasn't stream, I might close it out here. I'm fine with taking like 80% profits.
I don't see a reason to close it out. It closed above the range. The minute you break that high, it's gonna pop. Trust me, it will pop when you break the high. That highest high on the left.
Come on.
Once you break that, yeah. Now we should see some buyers get involved. I told you it would pop. Bro, I'm reading the market like no, oh my God. I told you it would pop, but look how it's edging you. That's crazy.
Yeah. Someone's watching it, just like market makers are just
Bro, I've had that suspicion for so long.
top step market makers. Oh,
Update on Hunter. What the hell? My man was up literally almost 700 bucks and look how close this came. Bro, this is crazy.
it's okay. We stick to the plan.
Update on Hunter. What the hell? My man was up literally almost 700 bucks and look how close this came.
So Harry, what would you do here? Would you move to break even?
This is one of the worst situations you can actually have. It sucks because it like literally came to your zone and
But
rejected.
we still have clean range here to the left. If I move, I think if I move my SL to break even,
I would move
it has
SL
a
to
very-
break even.
It has a very high chance of coming back down.
Yeah,
and
but now
then
you're
pushing.
marrying the trade,
Yeah.
you know? So I'm definitely break even now, for sure. Because no, that's not break even. Hello. Yeah, that's break even.
I'll move it down here. 187 bucks. I'm fine with that.
Literally almost 700 bucks and look how close this came. Bro, this is crazy.
It's okay. We stick to the plan.
Update on Hunter. What the hell?
Moving that a little bit lower to that wick so it fills the wick. But this is crazy.
Hunter, look how close he was to TP chat. Bro, you feel okay? One of the worst feelings. Yeah, no comment. Almost hit TP, man.
It's okay. We still stay strong here. Wow. Wow. Harry's lying, man. Harry's lying.
Bro, that's unfair, man. Actually, I feel sorry for Hunter, bro.
That's rough. That should be a
that's
dub.
rough. That's rough.
That
That's
should be a
rough.
dub.
That's rough. That's rough.
What do you think? Should I close?
It's still making higher lows, man. Until it makes
Yeah.
a lower low, until you get that change of 1 minute structure, then you call it. Fuck's sake, man.
It's crazy.
That's a crazy one.
I moved it a little bit below. So we fill that wick. Watch it like edge the wick. Yeah, we need to. Eden says we need to do a 24-hour stream. We can
I've thought of doing that, actually.
in the future. Like
I've actually thought of doing that.
It goes mobile. It goes mobile, so like we
Could
can.
we
like,
do it like an IRL stream on my channel?
Yeah,
you
IRL.
could set that up.
I mean, we got.
Yeah?
It could be cool. Well, we can do collaborative.
I wanna, yeah,
Collaborative.
both. I wanna do like a
IRL for
IRL
trading?
stream, but like a 12-hour stream.
Yeah,
Yeah, a crazy stream.
it's a good vibe we got here.
Playing overtime?
Bro, this Abdul from Pakistan, man.
Bro, it would be,
wildin'.
this guy is wilding on you, bro.
Yeah.
You're about to get some
Look, I'm gonna tease him.
Pakistan kebab, bro.
If you want, give me a follow. Give me a follow. Link in the description. At Hunter DiVenzo, bro. Bro.
But didn't I tell you it would give you a pop once it broke the high? And we got the pop, and it was not enough. Oh my days.
Yeah. But the nice thing is I moved SL to 187. We're still up for the week.
Ah, bro, we need to make money, man. How much you up?
312.
man. This is like one of those situations where it's like a nightmare. Okay, now we need to get off the 1 minute. Can you check the 15? From the 15, I need to see. 15 rejection. Ah, that's the problem, bro. We had 15 resistance.
Close?
We had 15 resistance. That's the problem, bro. No, until 1 minute structure breaks, bro. That's when you cut it. or 1% for mental capacity saving. That's your choices right now, man. There's no point of closing it at 300. The point now, you close it either at 500 or you wait till 1 minute structure break. I'd move SL to break even so you lose nothing. He's marrying the trade. This is what is called marrying the trade. You can't marry the trade. Trust me. Just move SL to break even. It's going to feel a lot better. You'll be done with the trade. Literally, it was supposed to be a win for you. It just didn't trigger. So just keep it at break even. If it hits break even, we move on. You take another trade. Because the worst thing is then to lose money after this. You don't want to lose money after this.
Yeah. Still undefeated.
Yeah, that's why.
Still undefeated.
Like break evens are common for me. I
crazy,
love breaks. It was one tick, bro, one tick. Because of spread. How much is spread today? Who was this guy, bro? Yeah, bearish candle on the 5. It can flip, man.
Yeah, it can flip.
I would say because we have resistance formed on the 5. Can I see the mouse?
You know how satisfying it's gonna be if it just flips and smashes through.
Like how much would we get here, like
No.
if we close here? 650? Like that's your next target, this one here.
All right.
So I would draw one more line and this will become Harry's with duplicate.
I'm kind of sick of this.
No.
Yo, chill.
Yeah, that's the new Harry's line, so just
Hold on,
check
hold
that
on,
out.
hold on, hold on.
That's the new Harry's line. Yo, check it out, Go 1 minute. We need to watch what it does at my line.
Bro, I'm gonna close, bro. I'm gonna close it right here. Call it a day.
And Harry's line, bro, it might wick my line though. If it rejects. Bro!
You know what?
No way, bro. You're up 1% though. You're up 1%.
Should I close this at 500?
At 500, it's
Actually,
you
no.
can.
This is a bullish engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing.
Oh my God, bro. I want to go home.
Here we go.
How long till the 5 close? What time is it? 42?
Wow. I wanted to make this trade super smooth for you guys.
Okay, Harry's line. Harry's line. Can pass through, yes. It's going to TP Hunter. No, that's emotional.
I'm done.
It was above the line.
I'm done.
You had to drag SL below the line, bro. You had
It's
to.
okay. It's okay.
You had to drag.
Close.
Should have
with a
dragged SL right
$675
below here.
trade.
Okay, congrats.
Yep, we'll take the dub.
675.
Bro, that edge was crazy.
But bro, next
This
time
edge
just
is
drag
crazy.
SL right here, you know?
Yeah, I know. All right, that's the signals.
All right, that's a good stream though. Good stream, boys.
Can you
2
explain
wins.
where and why you drew the volume? Yeah, so I'll explain.
No
quickly.
time, next time. You have to join
Hold on,
next
let
stream,
me
bro.
do.
Next stream, bro. Next stream. He's had
Okay.
3 hours.
I'll tell you next time, but basically I draw currently developing profile, Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. to 9:30 a.m. Then you could do another developing profile from 9:30 a.m. onwards. Also previous day, you do 9:30 a.m. to 3:59 p.m. And then previous week, Sunday 6 p.m. to Friday 4:59 p.m.
Bro, hold your laptop like this.
You can
victory.
replay that.
Give me a picture of when you hit TP. Hold your laptop up with victory.
Hold on.
I need to see some victory pose.
Wait.
No, like smile with your laptop, with your laptop. Smile.
I don't smile.
No, you smile. You're supposed to be happy. You hit TP. Like, come on.
No, this was edge. F the market right now.
The smile. Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Thank you for tuning this live stream. Both Harry and I got a dub today. And stay tuned for a live stream next week. Next week, our schedule is next Wednesday, April 1st for April Fools. We're going to be live streaming with Daniel. And if you guys want to see Harry on next week, Harry, what's your schedule like?
I don't know. They got to let me know. We'll see.
Yeah, maybe we could do a different day with Harry. So you guys get two signal streams that week, one with Daniel, one with Harry. And yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Go give Harry a follow. Give me a follow. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out, chat. Peace out. Thanks for showing up.
My cortisol levels have spiked today. Spiked.
This is my day. Every day it's like this for me.